Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing a video where I show you how I style my hair. We're gonna be doing these kind of like loose, messy, beachy waves. It's a hairstyle that I've been doing for years now, and I've been doing them using a flat iron every single time, and today I'm gonna be doing them using the Duvolle Desire Series styling iron. This flat iron in specific is made with ceramic plates, and the temperature in it is adjustable and goes up to 450 degrees. I only use it in about 400 degrees because my hair is bleached and colored and I don't want to put too much stress on it. And I do have a discount code with Duvolle for this flat iron. It's code CindyG70. It's going to be listed down below, and you can use it not just for this flat iron but also for their curling wands, and it's going to give you a 70% off discount off your purchase, and you can get these for around $30. So I'm gonna leave that information down below if you want to check it out. And without further ado, if you want to see how you can create these waves, these curls using a flat iron, then please stay on and keep on watching. All right, so once again, this is what the flat iron looks like, and I'm gonna set the temperature to about 400 degrees. I'm gonna let the hair down, and this is what it looks like naturally. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is split the hair in half and tie one side with a hair tie and start working on one section, the section to my left, your right. And we're gonna start all the way on the back. So we're gonna grab a small section. I'm gonna run my fingers through it to make sure that it's really untangled, and then run the iron through it once. And then to curl it, you start at the top of the hair and then twist outward to create the curl, and then repeat as needed if that didn't curl as much as you want it to. With a flat iron, you can do super tight curls, but for this hairstyle and the way that I do it, I'm just running the hair iron through it kind of quickly so the curls stay loose like I just showed. And then literally what I do is throw the section that's done to the back of the head and move on to another section and just repeat the same thing. Untangle the hair with my fingers, run the iron through once or twice to straighten it, and then start at the top and then twist with your hand, twist the iron outwards, and it will curl. And then we're just going to repeat the same process throughout the entire section, the entire half of the head. And then I also wanted to mention how you're gonna notice that I didn't use any product on my hair, and I've been doing it this way for years now, and my hair is pretty healthy and it's been able to take the heat. And I used to do my hair every single day for work. I do it less now because I'm working from home, but what I wanted to say is please do be aware of your own kind of hair, especially if you also have it colored, and just recognize if you do need to add any heat protecting spray ahead of time. I do put on like a leave-in conditioners and conditioning sprays in the shower and after the shower while my hair is damp too, so that does help me protect my hair. So it's not like I just don't use any product on it to protect it, but yeah, just know your own hair, know what you're gonna need to protect it and keep it from being damaged. So we're just curling away, still working on our curls, and it might seem like this, takes me an hour to do, but again, I've been doing this style for years, so by now I'm honestly pretty quick and I'm able to do this hairstyle, all of it in like 15 minutes. I'm going slower right now for video purposes, but I'm super fast usually. So now that I'm doing the sections that are at the top, these are the important ones because this is the section, the part of your hair that people are gonna see. So you wanna take your time with these. You do the same thing to curl them, but you just wanna make sure they look just the way you want them to. So once the sections are done, then I'm gonna go back and start checking for pieces that need to be curled up higher. So sometimes what will happen is that the curl will fall a little bit and only the bottoms are curled now. So I'm just going back and retouching certain pieces where that happened, and I want the curl to start up higher. And then what I'm doing right here is just fixing this random curliness that happens at the crown of my head. I'm sure it's just like the place where my head rests when I fall asleep. So I'm just going in and flattening up that area. And then just going back and retouching the curls some more. And once I'm happy with my curls, you can see the before and after, and this is what it looks like, much better. So once that is done, I'm just gonna speed through and work on the second half of my hair. So this is both sides curled, so I'm just running my fingers through my head, making sure I like how everything looks and that the curls fall nicely and that there aren't any missed spots. And because I do like them, I'm setting them in place with some hairspray. And the hairspray will complete the look. This is how I do my hair. This is how I create these loose waves using a flat iron. In this case, a Duvolle Desire Series styling iron. Again, my discount code for it will be listed in the description box down below if you'd like to check it out. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, all that jazz. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you as always for being here. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, and hopefully I will see you right here on my next video. Bye guys.